My name is Samuel Abraham Rector Charles and I am from Jaipuria Institute of Management and I've been placed to Aditya Birla Paints Grasin. I'm from Lucknow. Being from Lucknow, the city of Nawabs, I've been into traveling, sports. Management is like my family thing. I come from a business family as well as a service family. During my childhood days I've been more inclined to business, so to learn how the business works and how the management world works, I was inclined towards this, so that's why I came to MBA to study more and learn more about it. There was a sales grinding question, so my the question examiner or interviewer was like, what would you do in a situation? I was put in a situation like during my internship time I was working with Whirlpool, so I was in a situation that we put up a dream clause or a dream scheme towards the company, so we were not so ready about it, and I was asked that what I would do in that situation. So I was completely sort of nervous, but yeah, I told the truth that we should not go forward with that scheme as it's not so profitable with the company. I would say I've gained more discipline in life. At first I was a careless guy, but after coming to management I started keeping track of my time, my task. So discipline is one of the things that I've learned a lot. So I'm an extrovert, so that's been a very good help all this time, and moreover that I feel like I'm a good communicator, so I might like to just enhance more and keep working on that so that just I can be good enough. Excited actually. It's a new thing, it's a new place, new adventures are going to begin, and I would say that every new thing comes with a new achievement. This cafe over here brings a lot of memory, and it's a lot of emotions all together. We have faced a lot of assignments, some exam days, so this cafe has been a very chill place for us, and I would say it keeps a lot of memory for us. So people come from all different backgrounds, you see. In MBA you will find a guy from a business family, a service family, some might be good entrepreneurs themselves, you might meet new people, but altogether it's a very good combination of different ideas. To say our alumni connection is very strong over here, and we've been working on it for the last 2 years, and there is my mentor Mr. Rohan Marwaha. So during my internship we have been connected towards, and during my interview process he's been a very great help to my interview. So we do our assignments, and some days we party, some days we do. Hostel student during my first year, been with some great friends, good peers, good classmates, and during my second year it was a very total rush. After internship we were just focused on our jobs and everything. So during that time, pain, suffering, learning, altogether it was a great journey. So why anyone should join Jaipuria? So starting with our ranking, we have been standing in the 51st position at the moment. So I would say that being a very good MBA college, it's also have some great connections with the great companies such as Deloitte and KPMG, and the placements has been really good this year. KPMG has been a lot more invested towards us, and more than that we have around over 13,000 of alumni networks connected with us. So I would say that with that, any student might find a very good connection towards the future. Study hard, don't compromise, and never give up.